Noom Premium Weight and Health Coaching Pricing explained what you get for your money. Noom Premium costs about per month, with discounted rates for longer subscriptions. Most people think it's just a diet app, but the surprising truth is that it combines personalised coaching, psychology-based habit change, and tracking tools to support sustainable weight loss. The app provides daily lessons on nutrition, behaviour, and wellness, plus access to a personal health coach who offers guidance and accountability. You also track food intake, exercise, weight, and key health metrics. Noom's approach emphasises building long-term habits rather than quick fixes. Program the app based on your goals, progress, and engagement, offering actionable feedback every step of the way. For your money, you get a structured, evidence-based program with coaching support, making it more than just a tracking app. It's a comprehensive weight and health solution. In conclusion, Noom Premium offers significant value for anyone serious about weight management and lifestyle change, combining coaching, psychology, and data-driven insights to help you succeed.